It's a beautiful day. And they're hitting up the skies with these chemtrails, bro. On the positive, there's a lot of really cool birds out. And I wanted to get them on film, but I missed it. So you're just getting the negative. You're getting the chemtrails, whatever these things are. Or maybe they are something good. Maybe they are protecting us from radiation. Maybe they're not there at all. Maybe I'm just making it all up. I wish there was a way to find out what plane that was and find out the records of what he was doing on this date. Just track him down. He's clearly leaving just some chemicals in the air. And so are those other people. Stop it!